Namaste, welcome to Path for Healthy Living. Now we are going to do few poses which help us to deal with lower back issues. But please do remember, this is a support procedure, not a treatment procedure. If you are suffering from any underlying medical conditions, please make sure that you do practice under an expert's personal guidance.
Stand with your legs 1 to 1.5 feet apart. Raise your hands to shoulder level. Now exhaling, twist towards your right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist to your left. Continue this each side 5 times. And 5th time, try to hold for 10 to 15 seconds. As you progress with your practice, you can increase the number of times on each side. After that, stand with your legs together. Inhale, raise your right hand. Exhale, bend towards your left. Stay there for 10 to 15 seconds. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhale, bring your hand down. Repeat the same, left side also. You can even do this twisting sitting in a chair like this. Take a chair which don't have hands. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. For a better view, you can see this from side angle. So sit with your legs straight, feet completely touching on the ground. Inhaling, come to center. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Like this, you can do for 5 to 10 times on each side. And finally, you can hold. Same spinal twisting we do in sitting. Sit in Sukhasana. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Same way, you can start with each side 5 times and continue. Now we are going to do Pavan Muktasana with right leg. Take your right leg, fold it, interlock your fingers and hug it tight towards your chest. Repeat with left leg. Interlock your fingers under your left thigh and hug it tight towards your chest. If pain is very much, you can even fold the other leg instead of keeping it straight on the ground. Now we'll do with both the legs. So each pose you can hold starting from 10 seconds to 30 seconds as you progress. Don't forget to take 2 to 3 long and deep breaths in between the poses. Now we are going to do abdominal breathing. Inhale, push your abdomen out, bulge it like a balloon. Exhale, shrink it in. You can feel when you are exhaling and shrinking your abdomen, your spine is completely touching the ground. Feel your spine on the ground. Now inhale, lift your hips and spine up. Exhale, down. This is bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. Inhale, exhale. Same way, this can also be done 5 to 10 times and holding for 10 to 30 seconds in the final pose depending on your comfort level. And abdominal breathing also you can do from 10 to 20 times. and take long and deep breaths after each pose. Fold your legs, knees apart, feet apart. Exhaling, drop your knees to your right and look towards your left. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees to your left and you look towards your right. Continue. Again, each side 5 to 10 times. Start with 5 times and slowly, as you progress with your practice, you can increase the number of times. Same with holding also. In the last time, just hold for a few seconds. In the starting, you can hold for 10 seconds and increase it to 30 seconds to 1 minute. Take long and deep breaths. This is another kind of twisting. So fold your right leg. Use your left hand to take your right thigh down. It's okay if it doesn't reach till ground also. Make sure that you are not lifting your right shoulder at any point. Repeat with left leg. So this is not a continuous movement pose. Here we stay in this pose starting from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, make sure that you are not lifting the other shoulder up. Relax. Now, sometimes the people with back pain find it difficult to lie down with their legs completely stretched. So for that reason, they can use this pose instead of Savasana, and you can do abdominal breathing lying down in this posture. Stay here as long as you feel like staying. So this is how we get relief from the back pain. So please note, here I didn't yet touch the part of spine and the surrounding muscles strengthening. Please keep practicing these pain relieving poses for few days, and later we'll come with another video on spine strengthening poses. Please do subscribe so that you won't miss the upcoming videos. Namaste.